Hello, and this time, we will create a simple material using the particle position expression. First, create a material. Create a particle position WS node, an expression that outputs RGB data according to the particle's position in world space. And if you connect it to emissive color, you can see that the color changes depending on the location. Now, after pressing T, click the left mouse button to create a texture sample and insert the texture you want. After that, change the blend mode to translucent. Next, change the shading model to unlit so that only emissive values are output without lighting or shadowing. Finally, check two-sided to express the material on the back side of the object. And if you connect the texture to opacity, you can see that the texture you put in is properly set. Multiplies the particle color to allow the user to adjust the color in a particle system. Finally, create a divide expression to adjust the brightness of the texture. Connect it to the constant node and divide it as much as you want. And convert the constant node into a parameter so that you can adjust the brightness in real time. Now let's put the material we created into the Niagara system. In the sprite renderer, set the material you just created. Create a spawn rate so that particles are continuously created, and enter the desired value. In order to see the color change according to the location of the particle, after creating a shape location, input the desired size to sphere radius. Now, if you look at the preview, the color is expressed differently depending on the location of the particles. This is because X has the value of R, Y has the value of G, and Z has the value of B, and you can see that intermediate values come in the overlapping part. Finally, in Initialize Particle, adjust the sprite size mode as desired. Now, after returning to level, create material instance and replace the material in the Niagara system with it as shown in the video. And like the video, check local space in Niagara. After that, drag and place it on the map. Check that the color changes according to each location. And adjust the desired brightness by adjusting the brightness in the material instance.